Hey everybody, welcome to Kennesaw Mountain National Battlefield Park. So I'm here in Marietta, Georgia working this week, and I have been working hard, but it's paying off because tonight I get to go do a little hiking, and I'm also going to show off my brand new camera backpack.
I can be with you wherever, stay at home or in a foreign land. I can stay like this forever, 'cause I got the world in my hand.
So for the last few weeks, I've been testing out a Manfrotto Manhattan Mover 50 camera backpack, and I like it. So let me tell you a little bit about the features of this backpack. Alright, so let's talk a little bit about what's on the outside of this backpack. You might notice I have my tripod strapped to the back. This is really convenient. This bottom pocket, which I can store gear, and if I want to, it zippers up. That's where the bottom of the tripod goes. These straps tuck into the side and zips up and out of your way. On the side is a zipper pocket that you can use for an umbrella or for a water bottle. There's also a top pocket that goes all the way, goes about halfway down. And on the side I have another pocket that is divided, that's big enough for a 15-inch laptop or any papers I need to keep with me when I'm going through immigration. The top, which we'll look at in a bit, has another pocket. And one of my favorite security features is you can't get to the camera unless I have the backpack off. You know, as I'm hiking up this mountain, since I no longer live in the Midwest, I live in the desert, forgot what it sounds like to listen to the wind blowing through the trees. Beautiful evening. You know, another thing I like is when I get a little ringer on my phone, ShutterStock letting me know another image sold for the first time. Here it is. This is from Watson Lake in Prescott, Arizona. Alright, let's take a look what's inside the top pocket. So right here you can have my keys and also a microfiber lens cloth, and my passport stays nice and zippered up inside of here. On top, I actually put a little plastic case. Now this plastic case is where I put my batteries, because if for some reason I have to take a small plane and this has to go below, all my batteries will be in here, and I can just put it with my small bag that I carry with me, so you know, no lithium-ion batteries in the airplane's storage area. Now the other thing I keep in that little plastic tub are cables. And for like example, the cable that attaches my power brick to the GoPro, to my phone, that stays back there as well. Also the trigger release for my Canon 7D is also back in there. So essentially all those little loose parts are conveniently held in there so they don't go all over the place in my backpack. Seriously, how often you get to walk along a road that was made in 1864? Okay, a few more things now that we're back in the hotel room. Let's take a look at what is inside this main compartment. And again, one of the things I really like about it is you have to take it off to get into it. That means that somebody just on a subway can't open it up and start stealing your stuff. So first of all, the internal compartments. I actually save all of these from all my previous camera bags. This isn't the original one. This is just one that works well for the setup that I'm going to use. So I do have my Canon 7D in here with my beloved 18-200 lens. And you can see it's also wide enough to keep my L bracket on. Now, these other compartments really are empty right now, but right here, this is where my DJI Mavic2 Pro drone goes when I'm carrying it with me. I'm actually on a trip where I'm in restricted flight zones, so I can't fly it, so I left that home. The actual controller for it fits in very nicely right here. So right now, I just have a cleaning kit and also the rain cover for the backpack. What kind of backpack do I have? This is the Manfrotto Manhattan Mover 50. Now, another cool thing about this is it is the size of a carry-on bag for the airlines. So I can have this and throw it up in the overhead bins without any issues, not going to have any trouble with the airlines. So far, it has worked out wonderful for me. I really do like the fact it does distribute the weight, because this thing weighs quite a bit. And it's very easy to shift the weight from my hips over my shoulders or across my chest, wherever I want to bear the most weight while carrying this thing around. Just hiked up a mountain for the first time with it. Worked out great. So if you want to pick up one of these things, check out the links down in the comments area below in this video, and you will see one for the Manfrotto Manhattan Mover 50. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you know when I post new episodes. I'd also appreciate a thumbs up. I'm going to head on back to Arizona, spend a little time with my wife because the India adventure is about to begin.